let's introduce everybody here. So what's your name?
Jason.
Jason, and then what's your name?
Ernie.
Geneva.
All right, and what are we going to see here? You can tell us.
You're gonna see our grandson Jason solve Rubik's Cube in 4 minutes.
What was that? How long do you think it'll take you? All right,
Take a guess.
Try talking.
3.5 minutes.
go for it.
Go.
We're still less than 2 minutes, and it looks like he's almost done.
Closing in on it. Going to the record.
Ta-da! Almost. There we go. Nice. Look at that. And that's proof. There's no moving the stickers or anything. That was.
That's the whole deal.
So how'd you learn how to do that?
YouTube.
YouTube. So what else can you learn on YouTube?
Tom.
So we already discussed he's going to be solving a lot of the world's problems, right?
Yes. Next week, cancer cure. 2 weeks after that, interplanetary space travel for humans.
And then world peace.
The first thing's a Rubik's Cube, though. Right?
Exactly.